In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send email in Brevo. Start by logging into your Brevo account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see the navigation menu. Click Campaigns. This is where Brevo keeps all of your marketing sends organized, including email. Next, click Email. This takes you into the email campaign area, where you can create a new message and send it to one of your lists. From here, click Create an Email Campaign. Brevo will open the campaign setup flow and prepare the email builder. Now click Design Email. This is the part where you choose how your email will look. Brevo offers templates that are already formatted with sections like headers, text blocks, and images. Select a template that matches the style of your message, then click Use Template. Choosing a template is a quick way to ensure the email is clean, readable, and mobile-friendly without having to design everything from scratch. Once the template loads in the editor, take a moment to confirm that it has been applied. At this point, follow the instruction to click Save and Quit. Saving is important because it locks in your design choice and prevents you from losing progress if you navigate away. Quitting the editor returns you to the campaign workflow so you can finish the sending steps. Now click Add Recipients. You will be prompted to choose who should receive your email. Select the appropriate list. Make sure you pick the list that matches the audience for this campaign, since the email will be sent to the contacts contained in that list. Finally, click Schedule. In the scheduling options, select Send Now. This tells Brevo to deliver the email immediately instead of choosing a future date and time. Before you confirm, it is a good habit to double-check that you selected the correct list so the right contacts receive the message. Once Send Now is selected, your campaign is ready to go out. That covers everything you need to know.